Okay, over here, I can't tell
I
you.
have to show them.
They can see it if you just... You don't have to do it like that. You just kind of go like this. What, have you never played this game before? Okay.
I'm on a swivel.
Okay. It's an egg yolk dessert.
Oh, ZABAIONE.
Nice.
Sorry.
A sauce that has guanciale. Red sauce.
Amatriciana.
Bravo.
How do I say it?
Amatriciana.
Amatriciana.
Yeah.
That was okay.
It was 90%.
Oh, meat sauce.
Bolognese? Oh, these are too easy. It's a kind of hard cheese that I use all the time.
Pecorino. Parmigiano.
But from
Reggiano.
What Bravo.
Okay. Mozzarella but creamy.
Burrata.
See? Creamy
Get
cheese.
excited, damn it.
A region of tomatoes.
Oh, hold on. It's from the south.
Correcto.
Yeah, I know. But I can't think of it. What is it?
It's, you know, they come in cans.
Yes, of course. And I know, but I can't think of the word.
San Marzano.
That's it. What's your favorite Italian savory food?
My favorite Italian savory food.
That's not pasta.
Porchetta.
That's not pasta. It's a dish.
Pizza.
And what type of pizza? The most basic type of pizza. I'm not going to give you any more hints.
Pizza Bianca.
It was named after a queen of Spain.
Pizza Margherita.
Bravo.
Espresso con leche. That's Spanish.
Yes.
Espresso con latte.
It's a latte.
No. Espresso.
Macchiato.
Steamed milk.
I don't know. Espresso with milk. What is it?
Espresso
Coffee? I
with
don't
milk.
know.
With steamed milk.
Espresso with steamed milk. A cappuccino.
See.
It's because I don't drink them.
Okay.
In America, we use it instead of guanciale.
Bacon.
It's Italian still. It's seasoned with pepper.
I was going to say porchetta.
Okay, see?
Pancetta.
Okay, good.
The problem is I think of it in English and I have to translate it to Italian.
Oh, is that the problem?
Okay.